dito sa bandang to. Tumayo. Sir, saan nag-college ang Global? Please, the microphone please for UPLBS! Eto na!
Kuya! Kuya! Kuya, Ate Carmen! Ate Carmen!
Ako lang sasayaw. Sino?
Ate Carmen! Excited! Puyat yan, sa totoo lang. Hindi na makatulog. So, time breakfast. Nervous na siya. Zero. Yep. Yung mga robe. Good morning, Tagaytay. Ganda, so picturesque. Sun! Walking, walking, walking! Ang mga parents. Ano naman ang mga koor. Nice day, ah! Ano tayo ng before? Makikilala pa kaya yan? Alas 3 hindi ba ako tututulog? Mami, siya natulog. Habang humihilik ako. Hindi na gamit yung takot mo sa akin.
Cherry po.
Ay, tatawagan na po ba? Sige.
Sige po ma'am, saka si Miss Mona. Tingin ate. Ate Mona. Work from home. Makeup artist. Tutorial. Pwede naman pag gusto talaga po. Yung work from home.
Magdadamit na po siya. Si best man. Cute! Tapos, meron pa yung ribbon dito. Para yung pag nakatalikod siya, kita pa din. Ay! Oh. Wow.
Bagong ligo.
Bagong lagay. Okay.
Thank you po sa pag-invite sa akin as your ring bearer.
Wow, si Ban ready na. Ba't mo naman iniwan si Ban dun?
Sa vlog.
Side niya and then next up po yung para mas okay po yung standby na lang po sa dito sir.
Nako. Sino yan? Kilala niyo ba yan?
Sige lang, go lang.
Ano?
Habay?
Oo. Yes! Secondary sponsor ka na kasi, B. Matatanda. Hindi nakasama sa ganyan. Charot. Wow naman. Sana all. All. Po natin yung nakasira ng ano. Naman, hindi pa nagpa-age mo yan. Ay! Naka-balayage pa yan.
Ganda ng ano, lipi ni ate.
Ako bagets na bagets lang. Char! Ang init. Congrats sa mga artista nyo. Ang init. Labas ang lahat ng glutathione. Ay, hindi. Okay lang. Ang ganda nga niyan.
Ate, ikaw yung
Anong masasabi mo, Dad? Ibibigay mo na ba ang anak mo? Huwag na lang. Gawin na natin. Kuya! Wow! Ganda naman ang ano. Parang ikakasal lang. At least meron. Hi, Kya! Ay, salamat naman nakiko-operate ka. Akala ko ang susuotin mo yung... Pero bongga pa rin talaga yung ano mo. Yung coat mo, mataas mo. Diyos ko po. Kasha. Sana all. Hi, Tito. Fresh from Canada. And back to Canada. Imported yan. So, dito, kinulong nila tayo. Chares, nasa na? Eh, kasi mama, tingnan mo naman, naninilip ka kasi. Sabi na ngang wag eh. Pero ayan, sinisilip din natin siya. Oh, ang ganda. Buti na lang tinaas niya yung buhok niya. Great.
best man. Please get ready. Backward.
Ready, 1, 2. Last na. Okay, go sir. 1, 2. Kami, kasali ka.
Ay, wala. Maganda at sexy.
Salamat.
And first natin ay ating matron of honor, si Ate Igel. Iyak naman dyan! Grabe! And everything.
Let us give a warm round of applause to the hosting Prince, Benson Ron.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the beautiful wedding celebration of Mike and Manuel right here in Maharlika Events. But before we start this great celebration of full of fun and laughter, I want to try something when I say hi. Please say hello, and when I say hello, please say hi. Let's try it. Hi! Hello! I love the energy. Hi! Hello! Great, thank you so much. Once again, a pleasant evening right here in Maharlika Events for the beautiful wedding of Mike and Manuel. You know what? This place is one of the most romantic places because we always harvest union and celebration of love, joy and prosperity. And you know what makes this event to be truly wonderful and special is because despite of your busy and hectic schedule, despite of the distance and the weather you're here, you made time for the loving couple and we're beyond grateful for your unwavering love and support for Mike and Manuel. Kaya naman, Maraming salamat. And as we go along tonight, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Prince, the housing Prince, and with me is Jagger Lights and Sounds. And tonight, we're about to make the celebration to be truly fun, classy, memorable for all of us. But at this juncture, for us to feel that you're now ready and for a happy celebration this evening, pwede bang makarinig ng isang nasa palakpakan sa akin? Let's celebrate, let's have fun! Let's get that rolling for Mike and Maynil. Now that all of you are ready for a great celebration tonight, I will now be sharing with all of you the 3 wishes of the loving couple in this beautiful event. Una, according sa ating couple, they wanted to have a wedding celebration with a semi-formal approach. Nauna si Sir dito sa bandang to. Tumayo. Sir, saan nag-college ang couple? Please the microphone please for Rock City Chronicle.
UPLB po.
UPLBS! Eto na!
Kuya! Kuya, sa ating kamen!
Ako nagsasayaw. Sino?
Ate kamen!
Eric! You're the chosen one, so let's move, groove, and celebrate. Pwede ba ikaw muna si pet natin, para mas bigay si Sir Eric. Okay. Sige, let's move, groove, celebrate. Palakpakan naman natin. DJ, music! But now let's have the next question. Gentlemen. Thank you so much. Moving with us, isang mula sa palakpakan naman po dyan. Alright, for everybody, for the couple DJ, music, please.
Now I gotta cut loose, kick off Sunday shoes. Please, Louise, pull me up on my leave. Jack, get back, come on before we crack. Lose your
Group 1 sa Pagita. Let's have fun. Let's dance the night away for the dear couple. DJ, music, please. Hey, Milan is asking us right here. Do you want more? Alright, next music, DJ. Further to our next question. Our next question is, sino ang mas clingy?
I'll take care of you. Don't be sad, don't be blue. I'll never break your heart. I'll take care of you.
is I'll take care of you. I want you to know I love you so. I'm proud to tell the world you're mine. I've said it before, I'll say it once more. You'll be in my heart till the end of time. I'll take care of you.
Mike, take the hand of your loving wife from her father, because at this very moment, it's now about time for us to witness Mike and Maynil in their first dance together as loving husband and wife. Let's give it a big round of applause, please.
He knows it's you I pray for. He knows it's you I pray with. He knows you are my armor, my protector, my relief. He knows you are the music when silence brings me down. He knows you are the perfect fit for the soul behind this gown. And as I walked down the aisle, I couldn't help but smile and cry, 'cause he knows just what I needed in this life. All we know is he knows, and we follow his direction. Even though life is short, we'll share forever.